Oh, hello there. Welcome to my humble abode. This is the living room. I was just doing a little bit of summer cleaning with a Lysol wipe, which actually brings me to my next point and our talking point of today's 5-Minute Friday. We are missing Mr. Timothy Mackey. It is just me, but I didn't think we needed two guys to clean. So today we are going to be talking about how you can simply, easily, and quickly clean our Yamaha UC products. What we do recommend and what we don't recommend, I am about to list off for you. So first off, what we recommend is an alcohol-based wipe or spray that is containing about 70% alcohol or more. If those are not available, we do recommend that you use household disinfectants or CDC recommended cleaning solutions. What we do not recommend is disinfectants that involve heating up the product. And also, do not submerge this in water. That will ruin it. I will now demonstrate how simple and easy it is to use. Let's say we just finished a conference call. Take my Lysol wipe, wipe it down, good to go. Or you can use, like we said, a 70% or more alcohol-based household cleaning disinfectant. We can clean off this dusty YVC 1000 and make sure that it looks brand new for the next people who come into the meeting or conference room. So follow these handy dandy tips on how to and how not to clean our products. If you have any questions, reach out my way and enjoy the weekend. And thanks for tuning in to 5-Minute Fridays.